But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Granulated sugar, passion fruit, pulp, 1 condensed milk, whipping cream, yogurt. This is everything we need to make this delicious ice candy gourmet of passion fruit. So let's get started. Okay, I have my saucepan here, and what I'm going to add, I'm going to start by adding my sugar, and then I am going to start adding my passion fruit pulp. This passion fruit pulp, it's organic, it's from my yard. It's from last year's passion fruit that I saved. I frozen and I saved. And now here we are going to go ahead and cook it until the sugar has dissolved completely. We want to make sure that the sugar has dissolved completely and that the passion fruit has released all that delicious flavor. My mouth is already watering. This just looks so delicious. Well, let's cook in it. When it starts boiling, that's the time when we're going to go ahead and remove it. The reason that we put it to cook just for a little bit is so that all the seed really releases all the flavor. Everything stays in the liquid. I'm going to remove it so it starts cooling down just a little bit before I continue with the next step. But the sugar has dissolved completely. Okay, here I have a big bowl and I am going to sift my passion fruit. I'm going to put it through the sifter, getting all the seeds out and getting all the liquid in the bowl. We want to make sure that we get all the delicious flavor of the passion fruit, but yet we don't want all these seeds. I have reserved half of the mixture of the pulp so that I could add it on the bowlies towards the end when the mixture is almost done. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove these seeds. These are the ones that we don't want in our mixture. Okay, here I have all the liquid of the passion fruit. I'm going to start by adding the condensed milk. We're adding the whole can, and we want to make sure that we whisk it and make sure that we mix it completely into the passion fruit pulp. When this is done, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 whole cup of the heavy whipping cream. Okay, let's add it and let's mix it one more time until everything is completely dissolved. We want to make sure that everything is nicely and incorporated. It takes a couple minutes, but believe me, this bolly really comes out so delicious. We call it bolly, but I know that in English they call it ice candy. Here I have my yogurt, my plain yogurt, and I'm adding 2 cups of the plain yogurt to the mixture. This is gonna come out so creamy and so delicious. That's why it's a ice cream candy gourmet. So here I'm gonna whisk it until it's really nice and soft. Look at this. The texture is very thick, but yet very smooth. We don't want any lumps of the yogurt. We don't want no lumps at all. And I want to show it to you really close up so that you could see that there is no lumps in this mixture. I mixed it around 2 to 3 minutes, making sure that the yogurt really incorporated into the rest of the mixture. Okay, when everything is nice and incorporated, I'm going to add what I had reserved of the passion fruit, because we do want that texture
in our ice candies. Look at this. We're just going to mix it around just a little bit. I'm going to taste it. It tastes delicious. We don't need to add anything else. Look how the seeds look in this mixture, plus the texture and all that flavor that this cream and this mixture has. Okay, now this is completely done. What I am going to do, I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to a very small little cup. But look at this. You could see the little seeds in all the mixture everywhere. You'll be able to see, able to taste it when you're going to taste this delicious ice candy. Well, here I'm ready to pour it on a small cup so it makes it easier for me to add it into those little plastic baggies. Okay, I'm going to put this aside. And I have the mixture here. I have the baggies here. And we're just going to go ahead and start adding it slowly so we don't make a mess. Still, your hands are going to get a little full of this mixture, but that's okay. That's okay. You want to fill the bag halfway or a little more than half, just to make sure that you are able to make a knot. So right here, I'm going to twist it really good. And then I'm going to create a knot on the top, making sure that the knot is very nice and tight so it doesn't loosen up and it doesn't get all the mixture all over a refrigerator. I'm doing a second option so that you could see which is easier for you. For me, this was the best, I think, the best. The second option was the best for me because the liquid didn't come out. It was easily poured in, and it's very easy to do. If you have kids at home or even grandkids, what this is, they could even help you just pouring it in or making the knots. You know, sometimes the kids want to be involved in the kitchen, helping you make these delicious desserts. Well, here, look at this. It's so easy to do, but yet so delicious. When you're done eating a very delicious meal and you feel like eating something sweet, well, this is the perfect dessert. Here I am. This is the last one. Out of this mixture, I got 6 of them. And I tried for all of them to be almost the same size. Look at this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut the edges, you know, so that we take that little plastic away and we just leave the knot there. So I'm going to continue taking the little plastic off so it looks a little nicer and you don't see that little piece of plastic. When you're going to eat it, you just take the little knot off and it's ready. Okay, well, I am done here. This is the last one, I believe. And now I'm just going to put them here in order so you could see that I got six of the ice candies out of the mixture. Okay, well, here I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. They're going to be there overnight, but I wanted to show them to you. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator overnight. I'm taking them out and I'm ready for the presentation. With my ice candy, passion fruit ice candy. This is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. It looks amazing, and I'm sure that it tastes delicious. Excuse me.
The passion fruit is so concentrated. It just tastes amazing. I know, my friends, that once you do it at home, I'm sure you're gonna love it. You know something? I have a plant of passion fruit, and every year I try to get everything, put it in little baggies, save it in the refrigerator, and these are organic. But of course, you could find them in any supermarket. You could buy the little bags of the passion fruit pulp, and you could make them. This is very delicious, very healthy, and if you could find organic, even better. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media with friends, with family members, with your neighbors, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push the notification bell, and every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Thank you so much for watching my video from start to end. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna stay with this delicious passion fruit ice cream. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my passion fruit ice cream. Bye-bye.